Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're making some amazing picanha steaks with chimichurri on the Daniel Boone Prime Plus from Green Mountain Grills. The first thing that we want to do is slice the picanha into picanha steaks about 2 inches thick, and it's important that we slice with the grain. When we have sliced them up, we're going to salt them, and we're going to use flaky sea salt and a lot of it. Then we want to let these sit out for about 45 minutes while we prepare the chimichurri and light up the Daniel Boone. In order to make the chimichurri, you want to finely chop the following ingredients. First, start with about a cup of parsley. Then you want to finely chop a cup of cilantro. Then it's time for a beautiful red Fresno pepper. And then we're going to chop about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. And then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and about a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Last but not least, we're going to season it with salt and pepper. You want to set the Green Mountain Grill to about 235 degrees, and then it's time to skewer the picanhas. The reason why we skewer the picanha is on the rotisserie is because we want that fat to be self-basting throughout the cook. When the picanha reaches an inner temperature of 110 degrees, it's time to crank up the temperature to 300 degrees Fahrenheit on the Daniel Boone. And then we want to cook until we get an inner temperature of the picanha of 135 degrees. Then you want to cut the picanha into a thin strip against the grain and serve it with a chimichurri. And that is how you make great picanha steaks with chimichurri on the Daniel Boone Prime Plus from Green Mountain Grills.